My house is a wreck. Hamahay nalarach. It isn't very solid, and I don't think living here is lawful. Chanilla ro yengen, is chanel furachenjo, lal hamismoonach. I likely got it for a bargain, though. Hegu, huudni some baggacha geta. The farm is a mess as well. Hamferem na vruash kujach. I will have to get rid of all of the rubbish. Femi kuch ein yena skudal. I also need wood and stone to repair the house. Femi few agus klach kujach. Losken karich mi en day. I'll fix it later on. Karich mi en jeshoa. I'm working my butt off today. Hami mush tiganju. There are likely bodies buried in this mess. Hakurp edem aulak an savruasho. I have seen the TV shows. Hami ed na program and television eichkin. I would like to grow some melons. Betolum machud milligan faas. I think melon is perhaps melag in East Perthshire, but I'm not sure. Hami smoonach gun doch gune melag head melon an sharach fias ned ach chanel mi kinchach. Were they to use the word millag or melag at all? Nanod guashigan ach gul millag na melag idet. Mil was often said as mel. Vad gutrich gara mel anach mil. This game seems to be about environmentalism as much as it is about farming. Hakoltach gewellen game show muyen aranjachkas chomari tuanachas. And maybe how capitalism is wicked. Jeho enigi hakalpachas doch. There are trees all about this field. Hakruen mangush naparich sho. Now I am planting some turnip seeds and flower seeds. Nish hamikud boshag shiel nep agus shiel lur. I wonder, as this game was made by people from somewhere in Southeast Asia, Halisam and Jechen game show jenu le dun for archichen and Asia ned yes. If there will be any fruits or vegetables unique to Southeast Asia. Nambich messen na lussen sabi sondish da Asia an. I have tried some things from the area. Vlashmi could je rudden von skier. But there are many things I would like to try. Ach, hamoren rudden el an betolum fechen. When I was growing up, we lived with my father's best friend and his wife. Darvami fas naj, vashin furach, kolari kaj, shad maad, agus ven. And she often used to eat starfruit. Agus bash ye vi gich starfruit getrich. A good thing about this game is that you can kind of jump forward. Sheni ma muyen yem sho, gun urengut sost ye lem edat yenu. I like to hurry to and from locations. Stolum gres gu agus for archichen. She is very pretty. Haiglevoyach. The characters remind me a little of Disney. Hana karakteren kod Disney an mohuin bijak. Alice seems to be an old friend. Ha kolts ye shan haj ed alash. Oi, I heard that there was a town meeting. Oi, Hulmi gno konyu bal an. But no one is in attendance. Ach, chanel gin am friel. I will take a photo and show it to everyone later. Tog mi jalu agus fech mi do hul duna and jelai. I should go and meet some more folk. Bachado gol agus konach tul slower. It feels like there are still some frame rate issues with this game. Hafenach mar gevel kudje jule desen reim hasti leshe yem show. Raphael seemed a little shy. Va Raphael ked card fiat. I thought maybe I could get rid of that flower. Smunich mi gun omi kutje na lurshen. But it seems to be a permanent flower. Ach ha koltach gun flur maranach han. Oh, dialogue. Oh, kor. I tend to skip a lot of dialogue because I can't be bothered reading it. Saashto kut woord je kor legal shechet, son chanel sant orm leu. This Sam fellow seems to be having a lot of success. Haked gevelum balsorwas egen dun Sam show. Ben seems to be quite confident. Ha Ben ke lechad mishnachal. Not a hint of hesitation. Chanel gu yamlas aid. Lily doesn't seem to be so friendly. Haked nachel Lily cho kajan. Maybe she's not feeling very joyful at the moment. Hegu nacheli fenach ro hudel and drastig. The size of this town and all of the roads make me feel a little giddy. Hamed yen valsho agus ul yen raden tad odem fenach tournalach. Maybe because in other games I make my own town. Hegu van an gamen en el bimi genum of val heng. Or maybe like Stardew Valley, the maps are a little easier to remember. Na koltach ri Stardew Valley is toch gevel na mappichen begen as furast huonach. This game is quite pretty though. Han game show gema boyach geda. Leah is a bit of a grump. Halia begen geranach. Aliyah seems really lovely though. Hakolts gevel Aliyah balach lach. Likewise Eva. Marenkierden Eva. I could eat a vegan taco right now. Yichin taco vegan and drast. I don't have any taco shells unfortunately. Chanel sligen taco agam gunyo orstanach. Yay, garbage, my favorite. Horo, skudal, nishalam. I like that there are some trees with different colored leaves. Stolum gevel kudjena kruen le dulligan mudain. Even if they don't reflect the real world very well. Few smurvella dro holtach rischen dul ir. Not everything has to be super realistic, I guess. Chaneem hulrud vi ovas firiechel hamis munach. Raphael still seems quite shy. San hast ha Raphael ked fiat. I think more games need to have animals you can pat, or as they say in Dundee, clap. Sulum gevel fem et tul viechen an gemenen sungut clap. Na mar herached and dunjau clap. I've been seeing these moral mushrooms quite often in games recently. Hami ed nam balagan buached model show eichgin lechad trich an gemenen vichan gutch. Jocko has cool headgear. Ha curach green ed Jocko. Without prejudice, I think that Dinda could beat me up with her pinky finger. Gan fod vre, Sulam gan pron Dinda mi le korag veg. Look at those forearms. Scholl en a roi garden shen. I wonder if I can sell these flowers for a profit. Chnel mi kinchach nundo na flurichen sho chrech es an proach. I hope so. Hamin dochs. Because financially I am in a pinch. Lesh hami an gawi. And they look precious. Agus had ke locher. Ha betchi kade konyel. Okay, now it's time to sell some stuff and get very little money. Kashna lord, nish hanam kud ye ruden chrech an, agus gleveg ye argid ein. As the sun sets, I think it's time to say goodbye. Mar ha grien dol for, ham smoonach gevelanam man, bianach gra. Thank you for watching and a blessing with you all. Tapale eson kade, agus bianach le ul.